How to create and share Webex meeting link. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the Google browser on your device. Then in search address bar, type down the Webex and navigate to its official website. Now, all you have to do is tap on the Webex option available at the top. Once you're inside the official website, you will get to see login or sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen, and all you have to do is log in and sign in to your account using your credentials. So now once signed in, you can see schedule option available on your home screen. Now all you have to do is tap on it. Now once you tap on the schedule, you will be navigated to fill out some details, and all you have to do is fill in the meeting details in it, such as the meeting title, date and time, duration, invites, email, and also some agenda, recurrence and passwords if necessary. Now after scheduling your meeting link, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the done or save option available there. Now once you tap on the schedule, you will see meeting links, something like https://webex.com meet your name or a unique meeting URL. You can copy and share it via email, chat, WhatsApp or any other social media platform, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.